Okay, here we are at the east end of the Bow Channel Fishing Bridge. As you can see, the parking there is marginal at best, but you can park down by the KOA side and it's about just as marginal. I did. This is the Bow Channel Fishing Bridge. Fishing should just be getting started for the day because it was extreme low tide, and I seen the bridge fishing was out on the last bridge. This is right at mile marker 20 in the Florida Keys. It's one of the few full-size fishing bridges around. Most of them have collapsed and closed. So we just left Kajokee and we're going to enter Sugarloaf Key. I'm kind of thirsty. You want to stop and get a drink?
Yeah, down here in the shade.
Down here in the shade. Okay, I was going to stop by the Koa, but that's okay. Shade's better. There's the other limited parking. A little easier to get to on the west side of Bow Channel Bridge. And I don't know if you can see it from here, but that's mile marker 20 on the street sign up there by the deer sign.
There's your water.
There goes somebody riding the highway.
What are them two things laying there?
Them two things I don't see. Oh, I don't know. A sign. Catch you later, YouTube.